Hey everyone, welcome back. We are continuing in Module 2, Topic 1, Lesson 3, Activity 4, page 203. I'm only going to do a couple of these because I'm actually going to assign this as your homework. Okay, scaling up and scaling down. You can scale up between ratios to convert between measurements. Scale up each ratio to determine the unknown quantity. Remember, in a proportion, the quantities composing each part of the ratio have the same multiplicative relationship between them. Means you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same thing. So there's 3 feet per 1 yard. So 27 feet per how many yards? So we're scaling up here because we're getting larger from 3 to 27 is an increase by a multiplicative relationship of times 9. So 1 times 9 gives you 9 yards. Okay, and I'll look at number 2A. Scale up to solve each problem. Jenna buys 2 pizzas for every 6 people she invites to a party. How many pizzas will she need to buy if she has invited 18 people? So she does 2 pizzas for every 6 people. So this is a part to a whole. So how many for 18 people? So how do you go from 6 to 18? Times 3. So 2 times 3 gives us 6 pizzas is what she would need. Okay. You're going to do the rest of this page. We are going to flip it over to page 204. When you change a ratio to an equivalent ratio with smaller numbers, you are scaling down the ratio. Scaling down means you divide both parts of the ratio by the same factor greater than 1, or multiplying both parts by the same factor less than 1. We're just going to say divide greater than 1. Scaling down a ratio often makes it easier to understand. Okay. Scale down each ratio to determine the unknown quantity. So 6 hoagies for every 18 people. So if you have 2 hoagies, how many people can it feed? So instead of having 6, we're going to divide that by 3. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. So 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. So 6 people. I'll do one more of these. 100 track shirts for 25 people. So what if we have just 5 people? How many track shirts do you need? So how do you go from 25 to 5? Divide by 5. So 100 divided by 5 is going to give you 20 shirts. For A, Mark bought 12 pounds of bananas for $15. How much does 4 pounds of bananas cost? So 12 pounds for $15. So how much does 4 pounds cost? So how do you go from 12 to 4? You're going to divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3 gives you $5. Okay, so you're going to do C, D, and 4B for homework. And we will see you on the next video for activity 5.